What's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on the Polaris General XB1000. We're going to be putting on a 40-inch light bar and 2 floodlights. But before we get to that, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video, and let's check out this light bar. Alright, so we got the light bar and the floodlights and the wiring, the mounting brackets, and then some instructions. This is just a cheaper light bar that I got off eBay. I think it was like 90 bucks. So I'll put where I got that, I'll put the link for that in the description for this video. Alright, so here is all the wiring. Polaris gives you these plugs where you can put harnesses in, and I feel like if I didn't get a cheap one, that it would just have a plug that you just plug in, but it's got a positive and a ground, so I'll go right to the battery. And then it's got wiring to all 3 lights, and then the rocker switch right here. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount all 3 of them first and then figure out the wiring after. So I mounted one floodlight, and on the front of this bumper it just has these eyes right here, so I don't have to do any drilling or anything, so that's nice. So I'm going to mount these other 2 lights and then start with the wiring. Alright, so I got the 2 floodlights mounted and the light bar up top mounted. I think it looks pretty mean. So my next step is figuring out how I want to wire this stuff through here. And then for the light bar, there's actually a hole up here to run wires through, so start wiring this thing up. Alright, so I got everything wired up as far as I can go right now. So my next step to be able to get to the rocker panel is going to be to take this top dash off, and it's just 7 rivets, so take those off real quick. And then, I don't know, might be the Bucks and the Rams. That's gonna be a good one, dude. I honestly don't know if the GOAT can do it. Alright, so we got everything hooked up. We're hooked up to the battery. Got all the connections, everything mounted. So before we put it back together, we're gonna test her out. But it's just like, boom. Oh, your Bluetooth is hooked up too. Okay. Ready? That is bright. Wow. Alright, so we actually made it happen. Light bar is very bright. Floodlights. Now we will start zip tying all the lines and button everything back up. Alright, we successfully got her all put back together. Got everything mounted, wired. Got the switch in. Very clean. So that's going to be it for this video. I'll show a little bit of footage of what this thing looks like at night. What it looks like with just the normal LED headlights. And then what it looks like with the light bar and the floodlights on. But other than that, if you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. When I do it on the video, just want to go through the bright. So this is, these are my dents.